What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Finally, after a long wait, we have got the Galaxy Watch 7 in the studio today. We have already done the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. If you have missed that video, I will leave a link in the description for that video. Now in today's video, what we're going to do is, we are going to quickly unbox this watch and compare it with the predecessors as well as the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's open the seal here. We've got one seal over here. There's another seal on the other side. Let's break this open as well. All right, let's open this. And this is how the watch is placed in the box here. Now we've got another box here. This looks like some cracker box actually. Let me open this. We've got some paperwork here. And on the other side, we have got the charger. This is the wireless charger we have got. Now, like I said, this is the Bluetooth variant that I've got. The reason I got the Bluetooth variant is I already have the LTE variant, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And usually the Bluetooth variant gets the updates before the LTE variants. So I wanted to have the Bluetooth variant in the studio so that whenever we get an update, I can keep you posted about the new features or the new updates that we're going to get on this watch. Now you see, this looks pretty cool. It looks simple. It is much lighter than the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And I'm sure this will be very comfortable to wear. The strap is the silicone strap we have got. Again, we have got some orange and blue accents here. I think Samsung is following this pattern across all its products this year. You see, we have got the buds here. Even this has got these orange and blue indicators. We have got orange here, and we have got the blue indicator here for the left earbuds. And it looks like this is the design language which Samsung wants to follow. I'm not sure whether this will continue next year or not, but this year we do have this design language. Now let's go ahead and wear this watch. Let's see how it looks. I've got a 15 centimeter lean wrist. Let me wear it. You see, it fits pretty well. No issues at all. Looks good. Now let's go ahead and pair the watch with the phone. Let me just remove this first. I got the Z Fold 6 here. Let's go ahead and open the wearable application and let's turn this on here. It says welcome. You will see a pop-up on your phone to help you connect. If you don't see, try connecting in your phone's Galaxy wearable application or Bluetooth settings. Now I'm seeing this pop-up on another phone, not on this phone. So let's go ahead and tap on this plus button. And here you see we have got Galaxy Watch 7 showing up. I will tap on this and this will get connected. It should be downloading some software. Okay, it's asking me to confirm the code. Let me confirm the code here. I'll tap on OK. Yes, it is downloading the software here as you can see, and it's going to take a few seconds. All right, 100% done. Let me tap on I agree to all, tap on continue, allow. It's getting the watch ready. I'll skip this for now. Now you see, whenever you're pairing a brand new watch for the first time, it will ask you to restore the data. I will tap on next. It is checking for smart switch on the watch. If there is any backup available, it will show up right here. I'll just tap on allow. You see, we have got Galaxy Watch 4 Classic backup and Watch Active 2 backup, and I don't have any other latest backup showing up right here. I'll just skip for now, and then I'll tap on next, and we are all set. Now you see, this is a brand new wearable application you're going to see when you connect your brand new watch. The wearable app also will get updated. We've got a default watch face here, and I also have a few more watch faces which I can set. Let's see if we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra's watch faces for this watch. Yes, we do have it. We have got 3 watch faces here, which I can set it on this watch. It's asking me to take a tour here. I will skip this. Now this is the watch face that we are getting. Now let me change this. I don't like this watch face. I'll set the informative watch face, the Ultra Info Board watch face for this Watch 7. You see, this is a beautiful looking watch face with all the information that we need. We've got the step counter here, then heart rate information, and we have our live compass here, and we have weather information as well. And the precipitation is shown on the left hand side, and the UV index is shown on the right hand side, and the clock is right there on the top with the current date and time. This is one of the best watch faces I have seen from Samsung so far. Now let me just keep this phone aside. Now let me bring a few other watches here and see how it looks. This is the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this is how big it looks. This is a 44mm, by the way, like I mentioned, and it looks slightly smaller than the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is a 47mm dial that we have here. This is 44mm, so obviously this looks smaller, and this is much more comfortable to wear if you have lean wrists. Now let me also bring the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here. Let's see how it looks. Let's keep this aside. This is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the bigger version, and this is how it looks. You see, it is a bit more premium, and this is a bit more subtle. Now let's compare it to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well. This is the Watch 5 Pro and this is how it looks. Now I will bring in the older one, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 44mm we have here. You see, this is how it looks. All these watches look pretty cool. Now let me keep them aside here. Let's talk a bit about the Galaxy Watch 7. Now this is the green version I have got. This is the green band that you see here and it looks pretty cool. We also have another color, that is the silver color option, which also looks pretty cool, but I preferred this green version for some reason. I just got it, I'm not very sure. Maybe even the white one would look really cool. Now, like I mentioned, we have got two options here. One is 44mm and 40mm. 44mm seems to be a good fit for most of the wrists. The smaller one, the 40mm, is actually very small and it comes with smaller battery and smaller screen. So the screen real estate is not that great on the smaller version. So 44mm is something which I would suggest you guys to get. And this watch comes with Armor aluminum frame. This is an upgraded aluminum frame that we've got on this watch compared to the predecessor. And we also have sapphire crystal glass on the top. So this watch is scratch resistant, and I don't really suggest you to put a screen guard on this watch as long as you are someone who take care of your watch well and who don't bump into things more often. So you don't really have to put a screen guard, but yeah, it's up to you. Later don't tell me that I told you not to put the screen guard and you got some scratches. So it's up to you. I have been using all the Galaxy watches without the screen guard, and till now there has not been any issues, no scratches. And I take care of my watches pretty well, so there is no issue at all. Next thing to notice, it is a 5 ATM IP68 rated watch compared to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. That's a 10 ATM IP68. So this can be used underwater up to about 50 meters. And this is also YAMA STD 810H certified, which is a military grade certification for these watches. So both Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch 7 have received this certification. The next thing is this has got 425 mAh battery compared to 300 mAh battery on the smaller version. And the battery backup could be somewhere around 1.5 days on the Bluetooth, 1.5 to 2 days I would say on the Bluetooth variant, and a slightly more than 1 day on the LTE variant if you're using the LTE effectively. So this watch will be offering you somewhere around 1.5 to 2 days of battery life. I will test the battery performance and I will share the results very soon, so stay tuned. And the Galaxy Watch Ultra battery life is also coming up, so stay tuned for that as well. Next thing is we have got an all-new 3nm processor on this watch with 5 cores. This is the W1000 chipset that we have got on this watch, so this should run smoothly without any issues. Compared to the predecessors, this is slightly quicker. Now let's quickly check out the touch response on this watch. Let me bring in the Galaxy Watch Classic here. This is the previous year's flagship watch Samsung offered. Now let's quickly swipe up to open the application tray. You see it lags a bit on the Classic. Let me do that again. You see there is a lag on the Classic here. Let's do it again. Yes, there is a slight delay. Now let me bring down the quick panel. Both are equally good. Now let's swipe towards the left. There is a slight stutter on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This is something which happens on Samsung Galaxy phones over a period of time, so that is something I really don't like. I hope Samsung takes care of these issues on their older Galaxy watches. Let me swipe towards the right now. You see there is a slight stutter I still observe on the Galaxy Watch Classic. Now let's open the app tray and try to open some applications here. Let me open Samsung Health. You see it's much faster on the Watch 7. Let's open the calendar. Faster on the Watch 7. Let's do that again. You see faster on the Watch 7. Now let's open the clock here. Faster on Watch 7. So definitely there is improvement in the processor here. It is much faster and it should be efficient when it comes to battery performance as well. So let's wait and see that. Now this watch has 32 GB of storage compared to 16 GB of storage on the predecessors. So for music storage, this is going to be really, really great. Now the watch is running on the latest One UI version here, the One UI 6.0 based on Wear OS 5. Let me just go to the settings and show you guys the latest version here. About watch, we have got software information. You see this is One UI Watch 6.0 and the software version ends with AXFA, and we have got Wear OS version 5.0. Now this watch will get at least about 4 years of software upgrades and security patches. That's something you need to note. Now let me just take you through the settings menu here. We've got connections on top. We've got modes here. Now using this, we'll be able to create our modes or routines. We've got sleep, theater, driving, exercise and relax mode, work mode. We can sync modes with phone, or we can create our own modes for the watch. And then we've got notifications, sounds and vibration, display settings, battery settings. Let's check if there is anything new in battery settings. We've got power saving mode, and we have got a new option here called limit health features. Now what this does is, when power saving is on, the features below are turned off to save even more battery. So here you see we have got workout auto detection, high and low heart rate alerts, background heart rate, HRV, stress, skin temperature and blood oxygen measurements. All this will be disabled when you turn on the power saving mode and turn on the limit health features. And if you want all the health features to run in the background and you still want to save some battery, then you can turn on power saving mode and get all the health centric features working on your watch, which is fantastic. Let's go back now. Let's go to buttons and gestures here. We've got the options for home button. We can double press the home button to get the recent applications, accessibility, shortcut, etc. Then we have got press and hold button. Then we have got back button here. We have got short press for going to the previous screen. And we also have show recent applications option for the short press of the back button. Then we have got gestures. Let me tap on this. We have got double pinch gestures here. We can turn it on. So what this does is you can pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, launch applications, control your music and take photos. So all this you can do just by doing a double pinch like this when you're wearing the watch, which is really great. Then we also have a few more gestures here. You can see we've got shake to dismiss. What this can do is you can rotate your wrist twice to decline incoming call or dismiss alerts such as alarms, timers and reminders. And we have got knock gesture as well. So to quick launch, we can make a fist and bend your wrist down and then up again twice like your fist is nodding. You can do this for the quick launch as well. And then we've got universal gestures. Use gestures to control your watch. So without using the other hand, you can use the gestures on the watch and we can control the watch. I will make a separate video on this soon. So stay tuned for that video. And we have got a few more setting options here. We've got health, security and privacy, location, safety and emergency, advanced features. Let me tap on advanced features here. We've got disconnection alerts, sound vibration. Then we've got water lock, status indicators, auto launch media controls, show ongoing icon. All these features are available here. And then we have got application settings, general settings, accessibility settings, tips, tutorials and all that. So I will deep dive into all these settings because these are the settings available on One UI 6.0, the One UI Watch 6.0. So that's a brand new OS we are going to get on the predecessors as well. So all those I'm going to discuss in a separate video. Let's find out all the new features that we've got on One UI Watch 6.0. So stay tuned for that video. Now these are some important things to note here. Now as far as the build quality is concerned, this watch is built really well. You see we've got 2 buttons here, whereas on the Ultra we've got 3 buttons. There is no dedicated button for quick action here. Next, we have got a brand new sensor on this watch. This comes with about 13 LEDs for accurate health measurements. So this is available only on the Galaxy Watch 7 series, the 7 Ultra and the 7. And on previous generation of Galaxy Watches, we had only 4 LEDs. So this new bioactive sensor should help us getting accurate health measurements on these watches. So for this reason, you may want to upgrade in case if you are focused on your health-centric feature. Now, as far as the health-centric features are concerned, we do have all those features which were available in the predecessors, like the heart rate measurements, BP, ECG, etc. And we also have biomass index measurement. And along with that, we do have energy score. We have got AGE's index here, as you can see here it is. We have got labs feature AGE's index. What this does is your AGE's index can give you a sense of your metabolic health, which reflects your overall biological aging process and is strongly influenced by your diet and lifestyle. Check your results and trends and learn more about AGE's index on your phone. So this is another new feature which we have got on the Galaxy Watch 7. I have already discussed all this when I unboxed the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So we got the same features available on this as well. But there's one thing which I don't see here is the multi-workout option. Let me open workout here. Let me open this on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. Let's go to the health here and I'll open work exercise. Now here you see the first style that we get is multi-sport. That I'm not seeing here on the Galaxy Watch 7. I'm not sure whether we have multi-workout option or not for the Galaxy Watch 7. Let me check and come back to you guys. But on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the first style that you see is multi-sport workout. Let me tap on this. You see we've got triathlon, duathlon and aquathlon options, and we can also create our own workout routines. We can select exercises for a custom multi-sport workout, and I'm not seeing that here. I'm really wondering, not sure whether this is made available for the Galaxy Watch 7 or not. Let me get back to you guys on this. Now, this was a quick overview of the Galaxy Watch 7. I will do a thorough review of this watch very soon after using it for some time. I'm also using the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let me also do a quick comparison between these two watches. And if you want any specific comparison, you let me know. As long as I have those watches in the studio, I will do a comparison video and post it. Let me know whether you have ordered the Galaxy Watch Ultra or the Galaxy Watch 7. Drop a comment. What size have you ordered? Whether you have ordered LTE or the Bluetooth variant. Let me know in the comment section. That would be great to know. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. You guys, I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Do subscribe because you will get to watch a lot of contents about the Galaxy watches, Galaxy phones, the buds and all the Samsung products along with other Android updates as well. So if you want to know your devices better, then this is the channel you need to subscribe to. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.